Oh, hello everyone. Hello WordPress buddies. Then new things came up to all of us. I came to notice that from Brigade's tweet, like, oh, GiveWP is gone. I thought, oh, uh, is that product is completely shutting down, or is there anything else? Then I came to see news around that. People shared me the authentic news. Oh, then I came to understand that now the official domain of GiveWP, it's now gone. But now it's under the main mother brand of LiquidWeb by Nexus. I'm not sure. Nexus may be their main brand. I'm not sure. But yeah, the whole landing page is now there. The main website is gone. Same goes for other products. It was previously under by Stella WP. That was the new brand. You already know that if you were in the WordPress ecosystem, it was also acquired by those peoples. Previously, those were handled by the individual teams and companies like Kadence. There is another biggest one, the KadenceWP. This is the block editor theme, add-on, our Blackadwell theme, and it comes with its add-on. And most interesting one is the event calendar. It's also acquired by Stella WP, and Stella WP was under the LiquidWeb. Suddenly, I found they came to a common umbrella brand like LiquidWeb. LiquidWeb is a hosting platform, and now they are all managing all the contents from their website and the silly things. The horrible things I found on several Facebook groups and Kadence community and other threads, like people are getting a new menu in the WordPress editing panel. Those were using this, and most of the people facing the licensing issues. The core problem is, I found here, the company maybe rush the launch, but my concern is, why shouldn't they tell that to their users? Okay, something will be happening. There should be a notification so that they can prepare, as the so many thousands of if I mention that 100k plus users already using those products, like LearnDash is the more popular one, calendar, and LearnDash is the popular guides, like LMS platform. People use that for a long time. These kind of tools, and there's the theme. There's the core part of a WordPress website. Themes cannot be. It shouldn't be touched in that way. Some people find that their lifetime license is gone. Oh my God, they can find a way. So the horrible thing is that what's going on the back end on the team. I feel it's not come in a one night decisions. Like, okay, we had a plan and all the designs are closely same. Mostly I feel these are coming from the AI generated design, and the templates and designs are very cool, very close, and they're using 3D images. I'm pretty much sure those are built with the AI stuffs. I'm not sure, but I guess that. So why people are panicking? It's true, it's obvious. People will panic because they paid for these tools, and now they are not having their license, and there is an extra menu which is on top of WordPress, and it's reported by several people, and it's now trending on the WordPress ecosystem. So why I'm making this video? Because I was also confused, and I also in a situation what's going on there. I'm not directly using this product, but these products are very much popular in the WordPress ecosystem. Those are trusted brand, built by years, built by emotions. And I saw the post from the past founders who actually sold those two plugins and brands to the LiquidWeb, but now they are feeling sad, which is okay, because they don't have that brand in their actually the domain is gone. So what I'm thinking in that way, and also competitors jump in, and here you can see the sidebar key, the founder of the awesome motive company. He is inviting peoples. Also, I got a tweet from uh, like Themile, and they are also interested to invite their plugins within their systems. Yeah, it's good. They are trying to help in their way, and if they can get a better for customers from there. But again, so if you're using Kadence, and I'm not affiliated with them, I do believe they have a plan, but the major problem is they didn't roll out. Maybe they're thinking about or afraid of losing customers. But yeah, here comes the biggest problem. They will definitely lose their customers because the experience now they are giving them is totally wrong. Because if I visit those sites, it redirects me to that site. So the whole site is still on the Google, and they did all the things, and the internal team didn't say anything about that previously, and no prior communications to the customer. So something big is happening, so get yours, prepare yourself, and no clear communications. People are frustrated. Commented on several people's. I saw the post on WP admin bar Facebook group maintained by Kyle, and in another groups, and people are just panicking. And that's obvious. People should be panicked because they paid for those tools and they're building their sites, also there for the client sites. So these kind of things shouldn't be handled in that way. Yeah, they are the big brands, they have the big support team, they have the big developer teams, and now they have the AI. They can build anything, I believe. They have the money, so and they can do anything. But the fact is they cannot gain the trust what they are losing now. People are thinking about alternatives, and in the meantime competitors jump in and try to help with their own products. That is actually not bad. Yeah, in my opinion, it's a game. People are trying to get attracts of the new people, so the new things. But yeah, if you are fond of those tools, please communicate with the support centers what's come up next and think about for the futures. So don't get panicked, it will be fine. And yes, the emotions are connected with those brand names and websites, but again, people will forget by the time. And I do believe now it's come with the same in a common umbrella, under the common umbrella, so things will be better, I do believe. But again, it's the process they have followed. In my opinion, this is not good. They can handle their situation in a better way. So my suggestion will be stay calm and communicate with the support. And yeah, definitely their support team is now in a great rush. They have to handle lots of tickets regarding this because the license are not working, the site is like, oh, something is happening there. So my suggestion will be stay calm and watch. And if you find any more interesting informations and what's their plan, you can comment me on, you can DM me, or we can discuss on a thread. So I'm not against of anything, I'm not criticizing anything, but the process, I feel it's not in the right way. If I was in a customer service, and when this kind of disaster happens, all of a sudden the pressure comes to the customer support and the liabilities they have to take due to these actions. And all the internal employees, they should have raised the voice, raise the concerns to the management, like, okay, we should think about our customers, please. Customers are the king. So think in that way and make a better, healthier ecosystem for everyone, because those tools are very popular, those are well maintained, and after the acquisitions there is bad news or bad comments comes on offense, but now it becomes a new challenge for the Liquid way of how they are handling the situations. I do believe they cover up all the situations, but and they will definitely need time, and that's the fact how long they will take to cover all the situations. Okay, stay tuned, take care, bye bye.